Every human life begins with a single, tiny cell. Out of hundreds of millions of sperm, only one will succeed. This is the incredible process of fertilization, where life truly begins. Each month, about 15 to 20 eggs start to grow in a woman's ovary, but usually, only one matures. This egg is released around day 14 of the menstrual cycle in a process called ovulation. Tiny finger-like projections guide it into the fallopian tube, where it waits for sperm. Fertilization usually occurs in the second or third part of the fallopian tube, called the ampulla. During intercourse, over 200 million sperm enter the vagina. Most die along the way due to the acidic vaginal environment, immune system attacks, or simply lack of energy. Only a few hundred reach the fallopian tube, swimming with one goal: to fertilize the egg. The journey is extremely challenging, making it remarkable that even one sperm succeeds. The egg is protected by layers called the corona radiata and zona pellucida. The first sperm to enter triggers a reaction that blocks all other sperm, ensuring only one fertilizes the egg. This creates a zygote, a single cell containing 23 chromosomes from the mother and 23 from the father, forming a unique genetic code. This code determines the baby's traits, such as eye color, hair color, height, and even aspects of intelligence. The zygote divides as it travels toward the uterus. By 3 days, it forms a morula, a small cluster of cells. By 5 days, it becomes a blastocyst, with inner cells that will develop into the baby and outer cells that will form the placenta and supporting structures. Around 7 days, the blastocyst implants into the uterine wall, sometimes causing light spotting, which may be the first physical sign of pregnancy. From this single microscopic cell, billions of cells will grow into a fully developed baby over 9 months. This is the miracle of fertilization, precise, controlled, and awe-inspiring. Every human life begins this way.